When you order repair service from Galco, you are relying on over 40 years of tried and true industry-leading craftsmanship and care from the best repair technicians in the business. We take personal pride in our work and will do everything we can in order to get you back up and running quickly and confidently. The ideal drive and motor setup will run and regulate your installation for maximum safety and efficiency. As the centerpiece for an industrial system, downtime due to motor or drive failure can be very costly. Typical issues can include positioning errors, feedback errors, overheating, overcurrent, over or under voltage, bad bearings and gaskets, ground faults, and more. In the event that you need drives, motors, or accessory components repaired, you can rest easy by sending your components to Galco. Upon receiving and evaluating your components, we will begin by running a static check and then completely disassemble, wash, and dry your component. Our repair technician will then run your component through 3 levels of thorough testing, inspecting, and quality control before we are satisfied enough to send it back to you with a full summary of the repair. In fact, we do more than just repair your unit. We completely refurbish it. Galco's exclusive 18-month bumper-to-bumper warranty means that your entire unit is covered under our warranty, not just the portion of the unit that required repair. To begin the repair process, please visit galco.com. or call 1-800-575-5562 for immediate assistance.